electronics engineer by profession, and I have been working for several multinational companies for the last 22 years. So basically, half of my life I've worked in that job. And so the reason why I started this business is because of my son. My son has autism, and I knew that I had to give up my career for him to help him, and to help improve his condition. So, but I just cannot leave my job at that time because of the finances that we are in situation. We afford a single income. My husband is also working full time, but with the expensive living here in Australia, bills, we have mortgages to pay, and the school fees of the kids, we just cannot afford to have a single income. So I just went part-time on my job, and at the same time juggle my time, helping my son, taking him to therapists and all, appointments that he needs to help him. So, but as time passed, I realized I needed more time with him. I just wanted him to improve more. And at that point, my priority is just to be able to help him improve in his condition. So I started looking for opportunities at that time, to do something from home where I can earn something, earn money. And my goal is just to replace at least half of my income, so that I can be just staying at home with my son. So to cut the story short, I have done several businesses before this. But when I saw this webinar 1 year ago, it just amazed me because I know that this is the answer to my prayer. That it can leverage my time through the proven system, and it did it. I did it, and so I jumped on board. And 9 months of doing this business, I was able to quit my job, and I'm really, really happy because I have more time now for my family, for my son, especially, and the business has replaced my income as well. So, and actually, not just replace, but I'm earning way more than my income. And my biggest month so far is $17,000. So, and that was last month. In March, I earned $70,000 last month, and also I started earning 5-figure income on my 4th month. So, and I'm really happy because this business really works, and to the fact that on my job I have to work 9 to 5, but with this business I don't have to have that 9 to 5 or like 8 hours a day to work on this business. I only need that consistent time to do it. Now I'm enjoying the time freedom. I can do more things aside for spending more time with my family. I can do more things that I love to do, and love visiting places as well. And so on top of that as well, aside from the financial gain that I have, the biggest impact that this business has done for me is my personal growth. So I have loved the person that I have become because of this journey. So I'm a lot different, and I am happier and stronger in body, mind, and spirit. So that was my journey, and thank you for listening. Thanks, Mike and Darren and Leanne, for having me here.